Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I have another Ultimate Clean With Me video. My room, as you can see, is a disaster. My bathroom isn't so bad. I just needed to take the dirty laundry and clean it. And my kitchen is a pretty big mess, and so is my living room. So if you like videos like this, then please keep watching. And I hope this video gives you some cleaning motivation. So let's get started. So to start off with, I'm just making up my bed. I like to do this every morning, but on this day in particular, it didn't get done until after lunch. So I just like to make the bed because that way I'm able to fold up any loads of clothes that I might have or anything like that, and it just makes the entire room look so much better.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. What you like to, what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
So if this is your first time here on my channel, then welcome. My name is Katie and I have 4 children. I have 1 son, he's my oldest, and then 3 daughters. And my youngest daughter actually sleeps in the same room with my husband and I. Some nights she'll sleep in the bed with us in the king size bed, and other nights she will sleep on this little fold up sofa.
I will like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do.
So now I'm just folding up 2 loads of laundry. This right here is a dark load, and the next one will be a load of towels. I do separate all of my clothes. I was just brought up that way, and that's what I do. If you'd like to know what my laundry routine is, then I will link it above and below.
We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
So now I'm just cleaning off my husband's dresser using the Mrs. Meyers multi-purpose cleaner in the Honeysuckle scent. And if you haven't seen my latest video, it was the Target haul where I purchased a whole lot of natural and plant-based cleaning products. So definitely go check out that video.
Can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's
So my new favorite glass cleaner is definitely the 7th generation glass cleaner. I used to use the Method, and I'm still finishing up a bottle of that. I have it upstairs in my kids' bathroom, but I just really prefer the 7th generation. It seems to leave no smudges or residue or anything like that.
Not looking back.
If you've been watching my channel for any length of time, then you do know that I love the Method Anti-Bac in the Citron scent. It is my absolute favorite. I love the way that it smells, and I love the way that it cleans.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
I actually use the Method Anti-Bac throughout my entire bathroom. So I had already sprayed it on the toilet. You just didn't see me spraying it, and now I'm just wiping it down with a cloth. And I'm finishing up this Mrs. Meyers toilet bowl cleaner in the lavender scent. And you didn't see me, but I did put my hair up in a bun because I cannot stand cleaning my toilet with my hair down. I have seen other people clean their toilets before, and their hair will actually get in their toilet, and it's so gross. So I did put it up before I started using the little toilet scrubber. Also, once I'm finished with this Mrs. Meyers toilet bowl cleaner, I will use the Honest Company toilet bowl cleaner. It smells so good. It looks really funny whenever you squirt it into the toilet because it's like this cream color. It's not your typical clear or white or blue, but it's it just smells really good. And I believe it's called like Coastal Surf or something like that. But the Honest Company toilet bowl cleaner is definitely my favorite.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the...
I actually have 4 different mops that I like to use, but this one in particular is the Chihuahua spray mop, and the cleaner that I'm using is the Mrs. Meyers multi-purpose cleaner in the basil scent.
Rum and cola, wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
So now I am just loading up my dishwasher, and if you're wondering what that blue thing is with the basketballs on it, that is a reusable bag. I have about 5 or 6 of them, and I do use the plastic zip bags every so often, but I do like to use things that are reusable. I also use cloth napkins most of the time, and if you're interested, I have a video and I will link it above.
You were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
And I typically use the Mrs. Meyers dishwasher tablets or the Ecover tablets, but if you saw my last video, which was the Target haul, then you know that I bought the 7th generation in the gel, and I do like the way that it works. And also I'm finishing off my Caldrea in the Pear Blossom Agave, and I just have a few more uses of it, and then I will switch over and start using my Honey Crisp Apple from Method.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better.
Now I'm using my favorite Method multi-purpose cleaner in the pink grapefruit scent. I like to spray this on my sink once or twice a day and wipe it down to get rid of the water spots. I love the way that it smells and it cleans my sink very well. Now it's time to tidy this messy living room. There are several toys back behind the recliner, and also there's a little shelf right there where that lamp is. I recently made a video on how I did a makeover on that shelf. If you're interested in watching, then I will link that video above and down below. I get a lot of questions on this vacuum. This is the Hoover Cruise cordless, and I bought this one from Walmart. I'm not really sure where else you can get this, but it does work very well. You just have to make sure that you keep the filters cleaned out. There is a canister on the bottom of it, and you do have to empty that after every use, and it does last for about 20 to 25 minutes. And as far as charging it, I believe that it takes about 6 hours to fully charge. But if you needed to use it quickly and it hasn't been quite 6 hours yet, that you can definitely use it. Also, as far as washing the filters, it's very simple. All you have to do is just use hot water and you rinse them out very well and let them completely dry before you reassemble the vacuum.
It's a bright day for you. Tell me, what are you saying? What game are we playing? I want us to be for real now, real now. Oh, oh, oh. So I wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait while you.
Now I'm just washing a load of clothes using my favorite detergent. It is the Method in the Ginger Mango scent. I also love their fabric softener and the scent boosters, as well as the dryer sheets. And I'm washing a load of towels, so I do not put fabric softener whenever I wash towels. It does actually cause them to repel water, so we want our towels to absorb, and I do not use fabric softener. But I do love using the fragrance boosters on my towels.
Baby, take your time.
Alright guys, that is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you like this type of video with me doing a voiceover throughout the entire video, or if you prefer more music. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.